my justice.
The Supreme Court's monumental term may be over, but the fight over its impact on American life rages on. President Biden, before returning to Washington, condemning the court's abortion ruling.
The one thing that has been destabilizing is the outrageous behavior of the Supreme Court of the United States on overruling not only Roe v. Wade, but essentially challenging the right to privacy.
Now he's urging Congress to guarantee the right to an abortion, calling for a limited change to the Senate rule known as the filibuster. But even though Democrats control the Senate, they don't have the votes for that. Abortion is now prohibited or likely to be banned or restricted in roughly half the country. In other states, the future of abortion rights remains uncertain. Virginia's Republican Governor Glenn Youngkin is pushing lawmakers to ban abortion after 15 weeks, with exceptions for rape, incest, and the life of the mother.
Virginians want fewer abortions, not more. And I think this is a chance for us to come together as Virginians.
The court now delivering the Biden administration another gut punch in its effort to fight climate change, with a 6-3 ruling limiting the Environmental Protection Agency's ability to reduce greenhouse gas emissions produced by power plants. The president, who's pledged to shift energy production away from coal-burning plants toward renewable sources like wind and solar, slamming the ruling as another devastating decision that takes our country backwards. Still, the court also handed the White House a political victory, ruling that President Biden can end a Trump-era program that forces migrants seeking asylum in the U.S. to remain in Mexico. All of it as the court begins a historic new chapter.
So help me God.
Newly sworn-in Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson becomes the first black woman on the nation's highest court, replacing retiring Stephen Breyer.
I am pleased to welcome Justice Jackson to the court and to our common calling.
While the court will look more like America, Justice Jackson won't change its conservative majority. The court is set to consider a new round of controversial cases when its next term begins. That's this October, from the use of race in college admissions to gay rights, and a Republican-backed appeal that could have huge implications for the next presidential election, with the justices set to decide whether state legislatures should have more power over how federal elections are run in their states. Tom?
All right, Peter Alexander for us at the White House this morning. Peter, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.